want you to notice the color of the flame. So he's getting it close to where the solder's just about ready to melt, and then he maneuvers it where it needs it to be. A nice light coat on of heat on the stern and bezel. Just enough to get it tack welded on there with the flux. Very carefully adds a solder. Watch it run. It runs. Now it's got one more to do on this other guy that's sitting in the pickle. Now he's heating it up again to get it warm enough to throw in the pickle again. Heat it up one last time. This is faceting the ring shank, which is making little hammer dimples on the shank of the ring. Make sure to get them even. Now he does the spots in between. So it's like a zigzag pattern, you can see. Real specific on his strikes to make sure he doesn't mar up the little zigzag line that he's got going on. Flips the ring around to make sure he gets even pounding. It's not to misshape the ring. Slap the stone in. Press the bezel in. Notice how he filed the top of the bezel, so it's a nice clean transition to the stone. Goes in just below the top of the base to get it to grab onto the stone, then curls it. Then curls, carves, pushes the end in with the burnisher to enhance that clean transition. It also polishes up the file marks.